everyone, I'm Seong, Managing Director from Greencom Biotech, and this is our factory located in Balakong Jaya since 2008. And my business is manufacturing and marketing of bird nest essence.
Everyone, this is Robert Nest, and our team has successfully developed a nanotechnology to convert this traditional bird nest into a 10 times effective functional food, which is bird nest essence. So we are the first in the world introduce this nanotechnology in this bird nest industry. That's why we want to promote Malaysia product and technology internationally to make Malaysia proud.